It's my birthday present offered by my love. It's an Apple AirTag. Let's unbox it together. Hey guys, my name is Alban. I am product safety engineer, and this channel is totally separate from my company. So here is the AirTag, very small package. It's weight less than 1 pound. Very small. It comes also in package of 4. This is only 1. Here we can see the certification mark CE, and here the design assembled in China, the model number that we have here, the instruction. Always read the instruction before setting the device. And here the seal here. Okay, now we remove the seal. Yep. And here we have the AirTag. Yeah, it's again the manual, the instruction. To here, the AirTag itself. These are what exactly? Probably some instruction for use. This one also is another instruction, maybe in another language or in different languages. So anyway, these are accompanying documents for the AirTag. Okay, so here is our AirTag. Very small, compact device. We see here there's like some protection, so small protection. Let's check here what we have. There's some instruction here. And this is our AirTag. This is small film, plastic film on the top here, and there's another one here with an arrow. Here we have the instructions saying you hold near device and follow on-screen instructions. That's what we will do to set up our AirTag. So what is in the box? So in this box we have a manual. We have another the regulatory compliance manual, FCC compliance. We have then we have this another, the third manual, safety and handling. And here in this one we have, oh, like this, like this, like this. Okay, so here we have a pack of 4 AirTag. Okay, to set up an AirTag, so you have the symbol coming up on the iPhone, and we click to connect. We have name the AirTag, custom name, jacket, headphone, what is it exactly, what are you using it for. Connect. Let's go to custom name, continue. You want to enter a name. Enter a name, Alban. Let's write Alban Echi. Alban AirTag. Let's write this and then press continue. Press continue. We have this window emoji. We choose, for example, this. Okay. Press continue. You have back or continue. You press continue, and it's saying okay, AirTag is linked to your Apple ID, and you have the phone number. Sorry, to track items. There's a bunch of stuff. Okay, and it's asking to press agree, and this is what is happening. It's connecting. Connected Alban AirTag with you, and then we have the precision finding, the play song, the share your AirTag, view my fan app. So we'll go back here. So this is the AirTag itself, and in my Find app, this is the AirTag that we can see now. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more video like this in the future, please consider subscribing, and I will see you on the next one.